how to find Truecaller ringtone settings on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find ringtone settings on Truecaller. It's easy, just go to Truecaller and then click here on your profile, and here we'll find this settings icon in top corner. Click on it and then click sounds, and here we'll find ringtone, and here you can change it. Just click on it and click allow, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.